All right. Good evening, everyone, everywhere. Good evening, everyone, everywhere. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the second episode. Just a second. All right. So we are back and welcome to those of you who are here for episode 2. I don't know if you were here last week and you're here this week again, but just say hi in the chat so we can big you up. All right. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. All right. I see y'all getting on. All right. And oops. We are here to get our groove on. If you are here from the Jonathan Grant High School again, I welcome you, and you can go ahead and just big up yourself in the chat. If Demby High is here again, you can go ahead and big up yourself in the chat. If we have our winners from last week, go ahead and point out yourself. All right. Jediah, I see you. Hey, boys TikTok, we are beginning in just a few. All right. And I can't remember whose name is that, Al. Give me the name again. All right. So welcome to the, all right. I see you rolling out, JG. All right, and Jenny's here again, of course. All right, so at this time, I want you to just go ahead and just share that link. So if you know somebody who's supposed to be there but they're not there yet, go ahead and tell them that we have started the stream and we are ready to hit the road. Oh yes, Amelia. All right. All right, so go ahead, share the link, remind your peeps that we are here. All right, Venika, I see you. Raquelme, I see you. All right, so you want to ensure that so as you know, our pre-game show, which lasts for like a little bit of minutes, is strictly on YouTube. I won't be checking the Zoom chat. And then we'll go to our Kahoot game. And we hope that for persons who had hiccups last week, we won't have any more of that. And I hope that you're ready to dethrone the defending champion. All right. Give me just a second. All right, great. Dun, 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 dun. Good, good. All right, so go ahead and help me share the link. All right, good. So once you are just joining us, go ahead and tell us. Just say hi in the chat so we can see who they are. All right. Who else do I see? I see Destiny's World. All right. So pretty soon the Zoom link and the Kahoot pin will be placed in the chat. Definitely, anybody who wants to join Zoom will be able to join the Zoom. All right, because most persons had an issue on YouTube last week. And if you're just a, hi Shauna, if you're just a spectator tonight, that is also okay. All right, but so that we don't waste any time and we get into the Kahoot game quickly, as quickly as possible. We're gonna get into our pre-game show and it won't last for more than, ooh, the Kahoot music is killing me, man. All right, and yeah, this will be for just a short while. So here we go. Let me see if I can use the whiteboard itself. All right, good, 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 good. So last week we did the whisper challenge. And so every week we'll be doing a tiny little spicy thing before we begin the Kahoot challenge. So last week we did the whisper challenge where I would say a math word with my mic muted, of course. And you guys did a wonderful job of just filling of what you call it, guessing the words. But this week we're gonna do a little bit of fill in the blanks. So this time, this is how it will go. I will give you, like when you play Wheel of Fortune, I will give you the words with some letters missing, and you will have to guess what that word is. All right. So let's see who will win this round of the pregame show before we get into our main game. All right. Math word. All right, that is the first word. And if you can guess it, go ahead and type the answer in the chat. All right, if you think you know this math related word, go ahead and type the answer in the chat. Dun, 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 dun. All right, I don't see the answer as yet. It is a all right, so as you know, I will put the Zoom link. All right, so it looked like that they did too easy. All right, so we have Yashana, Destiny's World, Kamoya, and Lacian. I was too slow in picking up the answers. All right, another one. What is that math related word? All right, big up yourself, LVG. All right, Jocelyn. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Ooh, easy. Biblical word here too, easy. All right, them look word here too easy. So we're ready now? I draw for Delicia, so. Too easy, too easy. Wrong letters missing. This should be very, very easy. Very easy. And I'm a bad teacher. I should put in the responses on the screen. Dun, 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 dun. All right, and I have a feeling that somebody's about to get it. Welcome, Jojo. Welcome, Jojo. All right, I see that is correct. No, I forgot the word. I'm just dug it right. So let me look again. Okay. There we go. See, a real star if I get that one here, like legit, legit, legit. All right. So once again, I'm gonna say when we start the Kahoot game, for those of you who wish to be just spectators and just cheer on your friend, you can stay in the YouTube chat, all right? But of course, you're gonna hop on over to Zoom once it's time for Kahoot, and we have just about 3 more words to go after this one. Da-da-da. And all right, so da-da-dee-da-da. All right, I see. This one is weird. But we can't go into too much of the letter them. All right, if you don't take too long, I'll give you clues. Da-da-da-dum-dum. This one definitely also has to do with maths like the rest of them. Oh gosh, me should have made when I can't hear the music. But anyway. Yeah. Somebody got it. All right. I see logics. Let me see if anybody else answer can fit in the space. So logics, I see Lita. Ooh. All right. So I have to give the person that one there. I see logics. And I see linear. Oh. The linear wouldn't have worked. All right. But good. Logics is the one I was looking for. All right. I love it. I love it. I love it. This one, very, very simple word. Me, I think both channel letter them to skip out. Yep. This is this. I don't know how much you're going. But anyway, let's see. Da-da-da-da. All right. In about another minute, we will have the Kahoot pin and Zoom link being posted in the chat. Nobody not get that one here? Just one more after this. Awesome. All right, I'm gonna give one more letter. Yeah, man, that one you go along with things. Like me love the letter them when me left out. So there is another letter. See clue there? Alex, you are in the pre-game show. You're right on time because we are get ready for go Kahoot now. But yep, they are guessing right now based on missing letters, the mathematics word when we up on the board. So yep, anybody else just reach, you can make a note in the chat. And if it's your first time this week, guys, you can type first in the chat. All right. So you can get a special big up. But nobody? All right, one more. One more letter. See it there. Yeah, okay, Curtis. Curtis Reach. All right. Yeah, we must can get that one here now. We must can get the one here. A lie. All right. Oops. Yashana. Okay. I see Lacey and getting it correct. Yashana almost get it. So almost get the spelling. 3 persons spelled it with starting with a C. So the word quotient is spelled like that. All right. So quotient, that is correct. And right now, for those who want to be on Zoom, I'm going to paste the Zoom ID and password and also the Kahoot game pin right now. Kahoot game pin. Then we gonna pin the pin, you know. We're on Zoom now, Alex. All right. So you can go ahead and float over, guys. Let me stop the share. And of course, we are going to head on over to our Kahoot screen. All right. So for those of you who are coming on Zoom to play Kahoot, that's fine. If you want to stay on YouTube, that's fine because I think I have the settings all ready this evening. All right. All right, me and Luana sit down here and listen to that sound here. Everybody have the ears. Oh no. All right. So we have Queen already in. We have Raquelme. We have Kamoya. Who was me again from last year? Last week. From last week. All right. Dun, 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 dun. All right. And we have Nelson coming back over to Kahoot. And this evening, so last week we did addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of just positive and negative numbers, integers, right? But this week we are mixing it up a little bit, introducing some letters. So I hope that your algebra game is strong because we'll be doing algebraic operations now. All right. We have Kamoya in, we have Gabrielle, Shamoya, Justin, Yashi, Jen, Sash, Princess Des, Amelia. Let's go. Send the pin to your friend so that we can all. Okay. Come, tell them come over here so come enjoy themselves. All right. In the meantime, I want to say congratulations. Again, big up to last week's winners. I don't know if they're here to defend their calling now, to defend their titles. Ooh! Anybody see my screen? All right, I think I'm going to share a different pin. I think I may have clicked a a public setting on this thing. So you would be playing with like a whole heap of people. All right. I'm going to, no, I don't want you playing with so many persons. I just want those of you who are here. I'm gonna have to give a different game pin, guys. So, and I'm gonna put this on the screen, so it's okay. All right. This is funny. All right. Dun, 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 dun. See? Yeah. Ooh. All right. Okay, great, 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 great. Okay. Save and play and that. We are getting there. All right. Dun, 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 dun. All right. So we are going to now, I'm going to release the next game pin. Almost time to show my screen again. Teach. And that good. Classic. Okay. All right, so here is, okay, let me go ahead and share screen. Here is our new pin. I am going to share it in both chats now. All right, so let's remove that game pin and we go again. All right, so I have to ensure that the public settings is not on. So you can see the thing on the screen, but I'm gonna go ahead and still put it in the YouTube chat. Let me unpin this message. All right. All right, so that's 550-5414. 550-5414, perfect. All right, so we have Gabrielle on, Jay, Yashi, Sash, Princess Night, Alex, Nels. What's up? It's happening again. Oh. All right. All right, if you're over on YouTube, go ahead and type in the chat if you are trying to log on but you are locked out. Let me know. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a bit of technical difficulties. All right, coming up. All right, if you're just joining us, we had a tiny bit of difficulties with our Kahoot game. As soon as you guys start coming in, other players get to come in, and that I'm not sure why. All right, so I have reset it again. Hopefully this time it will just have you guys in here. All right, we are back on track. Let me go ahead and share the screen again. All right. Okay, so I know the devil ain't playing with us. All right, well, I hope. So I just tested it, and let's see if when you guys start coming on, if it happens again. If it happens again, we just play. All right, so we have 1404169. All right, please keep your fingers crossed with me. All right, ooh, breathe. Breathe. All right, fingers crossed. And no one else can come into this game. All right, I think we are good to go. Praise the Lord. All right, lovely. We can't so bad luck at this time. All right, 140. Jeez. All right, we're just gonna play. Legit. This is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, if this continues, then yeah, it will continue. Then I think we are gonna have to, this is funny. All right, so if anything, we will play it on screen, on a different screen I have, which would not be Kahoot, but it will be the same questions. All right, I think I'm gonna let us do it that way. This is crazy because I won't be able to keep track of you guys. All right, I think I should just, yeah, this is gonna be too much. All right, no worries. Praise the Lord, we have a backup plan. So there's that one. And all right, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to let us play. So now it's going to be strictly first answers in, literally. All right, the way we're gonna have to play is first answers in. So I guess this is technology. And so we are gonna have some hiccups sometimes, but it's okay. We won't stay down. All right. All right, good. So that's one. I have the game in two parts. All right, good. All right, so we may just, I think we are going to use the YouTube chat. All right. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and share this screen. We will have to use the YouTube chat, guys. Like literally, there are 830 entrants in Kahoot right now. So let us do this here. That is going to be crazy. I wouldn't even be able to see y'all. You'll just be lost in the competition. All right, so if you are ready and you are over on YouTube, because I don't want the YouTube persons to feel cheated. So we will all use YouTube to enter our answers, all right? So those on Zoom, it's kind of easy for you to get the question in first, but we can't have that happening, right? So we have to have the playing field level. So we will use just YouTube. So, or modified version of Kahoot challenge night. All right, so here we go. We are gonna go to, yep. All right, I see that some of you are back over YouTube now. All right, same principle, and I'm happy these questions were here. All right, I know you wouldn't be able to Zoom. Dun, 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 dun. All right, if you're over on YouTube now, just say ready. Let me know that we are good to go. Let me know that we are good to go. All right, good. All right, you Zoomers, you will have to go. Sorry, I can't have you getting somebody. So if you're on YouTube, leave Zoom so I can know that you ain't trying to over here, you know. All right, so Yashana, I see you on no. All right, so YouTube, let's go. All right. So generally, I will have to keep track of who answers first all the time. So the first person to answer gets the point. So I can't have anyone on Zoom because you will hear the question first. YouTubers will hear it like 5 or 10 seconds after. So can I do that? Bye-bye. Good. I see you leaving. All right. Good. Kamoya and Tishan, I see that you're both gone. Good. All right. So yes. Kamoya, please leave my meeting room now. Thanks. Yes, Mario, this chat is there on YouTube. Mario, how you missed that? All right, let me just send it to your phone and done. All right. So here we go. Sashi, Mario, and Cheroya, leave Zoom so I know that you're already over YouTube. And we get ready. Let me go ahead and share this screen. All right, as I said before, we're focusing on algebraic terms. Mario. All right, Mario, I hope that's the number that I have for you. That's weird. All right, so Mario, just get it from somebody. We already up on the live. Okay, well, Mario, please go to the YouTube channel. Once you go, oh, you gone now. Off of Zoom. All right, so ready? We will have to. Yeah, we need fee. We have to start with your Mario. Osh. All right, there you are. Find a new number. All right, it's time. Question 1. So it's just 1 point for each correct answer because now I can't complicate it and give you the 1 and 2 points that are allotted for the question. Yeah, we will go, or maybe I should, you know. All right, do not mind the instructions up top. Just ensure that you just pay attention to the question. 1 point for each. All right, so Here we go. This was supposed to be a team thing, but here we go. All right, first in the YouTube chat, that will be the person who gets the point. All right. Number one, a dash can be a combination of letters, numbers, and exponents. A dash can be a combination of letters, numbers, and exponents. What is the answer? A dash can be a combination of letters, numbers, and exponents. All right. And we have, yeah, I feel like me kick out Daniel Gordon. I don't feel like me gearing up points. But anyway, yes, we have. All right. Amelia coming in. All right, good. So we have Amelia catching that one first. And our second question, a combination of terms with operations is called an, we're bright man, but it's speed as well. Combination of terms with operations is called an. Push your cursor straight to the end so that you know miss nothing. All right. The one was there, so in front of you. Hey, variable is not the correct answer. A combination of terms with operations is called an. And by the way, I say an, that can't be variable. Variable does not have operations. Let us remember that variables are just the letters. All right. And we have, good, we have the correct answer in. All right, and that would be an expression, not an equation, but an expression. All right, identify the coefficient in negative 14ac squared d. Negative 14ac squared d. What is the coefficient? Dun, 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 dun. All right. And that expression one earlier, I saw Lacey and got it, Ricky Don, Jen, Tashoy. I said, hey, Tashoy. That's so sweet. What you do over here? All right. So we have Tashoy giving that answer first. So remember, coefficient would be the number that comes in front of the variables. Variable or variables. Curtis, next time just write a negative sign, because by the time you don't type the word negative, correct answer start coming already. All right. Let me say this from now as well. If at any point I give you a question that you need to write squared or cubed or anything like that in it, if let's say you're writing z squared, but your phone doesn't have the tool that can go up at top, or the device you're using, oh, recall me, or the device you're using, then I will know that you intended to write squared. All right. Clearing screen. All right. And next question. Ready? Identify the coefficient. Easy. I will just do one in 5x to the 10th power. Identify the coefficient in 5x to the 10th power. All right. Alex, Rikel, may I bring on the heat, you know? All right. And I saw the answer come in, which would be 5. All right. And we have Tashoy, Shamoya, Kamoya, Amelia. So 5x is definitely not it. Shamoya, you're smart enough putting 2 answer. All right. Ready? Now we're going to be spelling words. Hey, Kishima. All right. Ready? We are draw the English side, you know. All right, ready? Our first word is going to be quadrilateral. First person who can spell quadrilateral. First person who can spell the word quadrilateral. Dun, 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 dun. All right, and that is gonna, I'll show your hand this quick. All right. And then, oh boy, Alex, Zoom cannot help you. All right, some of the questions I'm also going to, all right, let's go. Identify the like terms. There are, identify two like terms. What are the like terms? Like terms. Let's say, me don't know what Kahoot behave so far. Federica said people spell it before she hear it. All right. Identify the two like terms. All right, I'm gonna give you it easier next time. Dun, 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 dun. And I'll see if I can do some research and figure out what happened with Kahoot. That's. All right. I should have do it boys against girls, just like what up on the screen, you know. But anyway, I'm never sure who and who there. All right. But let's see the like terms we have. Hey, party animates, me say, if you ever know what's going over here this evening, Kahoot do it bad. Later, you'll have to watch a rerun of the video to know what happened. All right, so remember like terms, guys. Like terms have same variables raised to the same power. So that's definitely gonna be this one right here. And this one right here. The terms are actually even exact right now, right? So we have x squared and this one also has x squared, y cubed, and this one also has y cubed. All right, the next one, I'm going to label the terms. So next question, identify the like terms. Hold on, clearing screen. All right, here are the like terms. This one is A, B, C, D, E. What are the like terms? Select them. You can write the letter. I do it like that so that it can be easy for you to respond and quicker. Venica, no, miss, like terms are like terms. Hush. All right, identify the like terms. There were only two like terms on the board not too long, and those are the two we should have picked. All right, I saw persons typing them, but yeah. All right. So now we have, all right, I think I have the answer coming in. So obviously this is not somehow a strong point. All right, so here we go. I see the answer and it's definitely A and C. All right. It doesn't matter which number is at the front. Like terms have the same letters raised to the same power. So P to the 7th power here, P to the 7th power here, Q to the 6th power, Q to the 6th power, even if the order of the letters are not the same. All right, so A and C was correct. And the first person who sent that in was Kishima. All right. Dun, 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 dun. What is the value of -1 plus 13? -1 plus 13. What is the value? All right, and 12 is definitely correct. Same signs, add and keep, different signs, subtract. Answer takes the sign of the larger number always. That is just a fact. What is the value of 14 minus 16? 14 minus 16. Dun, dun, dun. I think I could not be able to not have music in the background. Anyways, 14 minus 16, and we await the answer. And that is gone. All right, Tashoy, I see you. I see you, Kishima. Yes, Amelia, Kamoya, Venika, sharp, sharp. Guys, to make sure say na their back, ensure that your cursor is at the end of the video so you know say, yeah, you're same time with everybody. All right, what is the value of -7 minus 20? -7 minus 20. -7 minus 20. All right, Tashoy, I see you. And I see you. And I see you, Kamoya. And I see you, Kishima. And I see you, Lacey. All right, so it's definitely going to be -27. Same signs, add the numbers, keep the sign. That's going to be 27, and the sign is negative, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, Tasha, your first answer did wrong. Funny, oh. All right, next one, value of -5 plus 70. -5 plus 70. Hi, twin. Then type fast, no? Oh, gosh. Riquelme, the composition too fast for you? Alex? All right. So we had to do an abridged version of our game tonight, guys. And, ooh, all right. 65 is correct. Thank you for still staying and participating. 65 is definitely correct. Now, to ensure that I correctly announce the right winner, right winners next week, I will have the awesome, hard opportunity of going back through this chat to see, to allocate your points correctly, all right? Even if you weren't someone who answered first. Value of -14 times 5. What is the value of -14 times 5? -14 times 5. Da-da-dum-dum. Some people video their back in. Nessa, I see you. Sharoya, I see you. But push up the video a little bit forward so you can hear the question them early. All right. And I see coming in Tashoy, Shamoya. Boy, Tashoy, you can type stuff. Then type fast through. Shamoya and Kamoya right back to one another. All right. Twinning up in here. Same answer and everything. Let's go. -70 is correct. What is the value of 10 times -6? 10 times -6. I'm not bossy bad over here. All right, 10 times -6. Yes, Kishima, we see it. Okay, Justin, I see you. All right, so the answer them there. And Jen, I was gonna say Jen takes the lead, but right behind Tashoya, Kamoya again, Lacey, All right, so definitely negative 60. Remember, you're multiplying two numbers, signs are different, answer is going to be negative. Don't forget that. All right, and fill in the blanks. Dash minus 6 equals negative 9. Dash minus 6 equals negative 9. Dash minus 6 equals negative 9. Yeah, some people type really, really fast. All right, dash minus 6 equals negative 9. Ooh, Jen, first in with this one. And then we have Justin, I forgot Whelan come again. Tashoy, followed by Kamoya, followed by Kishima. Party up in here. All right. So now, Bryden, when you get to the part here, go forward because you're behind in the live. All right, negative 3 is correct. I like, one can count, man. Ready, ready, ready. 2 minus dash equals negative 10. 2 minus dash equals negative 10. Dun, 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 dun. Two minus dash equals negative 10. I still don't see the correct answer yet. Kishima is the first one with the correct answer. Definitely 12. 2 minus 12 gives you negative 10. If you said 2 minus and then you told me negative 12, that would now be positive, which would actually give us 14. All right, so moving on. Fill in the blanks. Dash times negative 10 equals negative 50. It was indeed positive 12, Justin. Dash times negative 10 equals negative 50. Da-da-dum, da-da-dum. Here's Tasha, I miss you. All right. Definitely Jen in first again, followed by Justin. Justin had up on fire tonight, man. Followed by Tashoy, Kishima, Amelia, Kamoya, Twain, Venika, Raquelme, positive, positive. Nessa, I see you. Sharoya, Jeffrey. Hey, Jeffrey. All right. Identify the exponent. Write down the exponent in the chat. What is the exponent? What is the exponent? Okay, Jen in first again. Negative 10 is correct, all right? And Kishima follows closely with Amelia, Twin, Raquelme, Lacey, and Kamoya, Nessa, all right? Fill in the blanks. A number by itself, a number in by itself is called any number written by itself can be called this word. All right. Any number written by itself can be called this word. Ladies and gentlemen, we are coming down. We will have to be patient to know our real winners in terms of time and accuracy. Yay, I like it. All right, in terms of time and accuracy next week. All right. Indeed, I see the correct answer coming in. Constant is correct. All right. So here we go. Simplify. Negative 15 plus 10 minus 5. All right, and then we are gonna take it away shortly. Negative 15 plus 10 minus 5. All right, all right, all right. All right, and my screen. Okay. All right, great, great, great. And then we have next question, 8 plus, oh, so by the way, the negative 10 was correct. 8 plus 16 minus 17 minus 7. Eight plus 16 minus 17 minus 7. What is the answer? Justin, just answer and get along with it, okay? No need to fight the people, thank you. All right, Tashoy first in with this one. Kamoya and Shamoya, right back at one another. Lacey, I see you, I see you. All right, next question. Negative 5 plus 3 minus 12 plus 12. Negative 5 plus 3 minus 12 plus 12. Alex, Tishon. All right, I see the answer coming in, and Twain was first with that one. Shamoya next, Tashoy, Kamoya, Rakelme, Venika, Justin, Kishima. All right, definitely. You can just easily say, these two right here will give you 0, and you just work on them to the other front. All right, 10x minus 8x plus 2 plus 10. Simplify. All right. Dum, 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 dum. I am waiting on. All right. Tasha, I wonder if we must give because all right. Technically, the first correct answer is from Kishima and Venika. All right. So it's 2x plus 12. Tasha, I'm not plus 9, sorry. Right. And then for those of you who simplified to 14x, that is illegal. Remember that you can't add them because they are not like terms. 2x and 12 cannot be added. Boom, moving on. All right. Oh, Oshtashoy. All right, so simplify this. As I said, I'll understand if I don't see the square them up in the ear. Dun, 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 dun. Da, da, da. Can't see the one you take them long for typing or kill me. All right. And in 5 and 4 and 3, 2, 1. All right, so Venika's keyboard malfunctioned, but definitely that was the first answer came in. Yeah, put your like terms together. 8a squared c cubed minus 2a squared c cubed, that's definitely 6a squared c cubed. And these two like terms together will give you positive 1. All right, I'm missing a good amount of people with the answer. Venika, Tashoy, Kishima. Good. I want to do a good job writing out them squares something here because anyway, fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. Dun, 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 dun. Who will it be? What will make the statement true in that blank space? All right, I see 4R. Is that correct? I see a 2. Is that correct? I see a 24. Is it correct? I see 24 again, 2, 4. Are there any other takers? All right, putting like terms together, we definitely get 4R minus 2R, which is 2R. So now we just focus on the numbers. 12 minus 10, that's 2, plus 2, that's going to be 4. All right, and the first person who said 4 was Venica, I believe. Yep. Amelia Orsh. All right, another fill in the blank. Let's go. That is equal to 12. Call upon him, yeah. Call upon the Lord. Let's see. All right, I see 8P. I see 3P. Do I see anything else? I see negative 8P. I also see 8P again. I see 8. I see 8P. I see 8P. I see 0. Hey, Sarby, if I pronounce that right. This is where we have our Kahoot game challenge every Monday night. We started last week. This is episode 2. And thank you for joining. Usually we would be on Kahoot, and this evening we had a malfunction. We had technical difficulties. So you can stay and just join the fun, especially since Amelia just said that chat said she done because she not stop type foolishness. But yeah, that's what we do over here on this. All right, so 8P is definitely correct because it's only 8P minus 2P. That will give you 6P. All right, so negative 8P is definitely incorrect. All right, and nothing else can work either. So the answer is 8P. All right, if A represents sweets and P represents pencil, all right, write an expression for 3 sweets and 4 pencils. So A represents a sweet, P represents a pencil. Write an expression for 3 sweets and 4 pencils. Woohoo. All right, honestly, I think I had reworded this question just for some clarity. So we can be sure, say it says some, so that's nobody not a quarrel. But anyway, yep, that is, everybody get the point, yeah. That is correct, 3A plus 4P, easy done. All right, we are coming down. Translate to mathematical notation, this sentence, the product of a number Y and 12, the product of a number Y and 12. How do I write that without the bag of words? Shamaya and Kamaya love come back what they want to I see for the question. All right. Yes, Benika, I know anything I write that equal sign, I know say a plus. And who will be first? Venika, indeed. 12Y. We have Y times 12 from Justin. Hishima, Lacey, and yep, we're bright. We're bright over here, so. All right. Dun, dun, dun. And is it A, B, C, or D? 5 subtracted from thrice and number T. 5 subtracted from thrice and number T. Which one will be the answer? 5 subtracted from thrice and number T. Dun, 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 dun. If you have not yet subscribed to DG Makes Math Easy, you can go ahead and do that. For those of you who are new over here, I'm Donisha Gordon Murray now, all right, but it's still DG Makes Math Easy, right? Yep, our tagline, we are intentional about making math dimensional. That's what we stand for. All right. So 5 subtracted from thrice a number t. So I'm subtracting 5 from something, and that's going to be 3t. So the answer is 3t minus 5. And the first person who got it correct was Venika. And right next to Venika, there was Raquelme. All right, Raquelme, I've got type fast now. All right, simplify. We are almost at our final question. Simplify p times s times 5. What do we get? Now, because we all love games, you know. All right. All right, so it's simple. You are basically, yep, yes, Kishima, yes. Fenika, you did hear on me say, me see all of game. So PS5, we know that we should put the number in front and the letters go to the back. All right. So we should by right have 5PS. All right. So yeah. 5PS is the standard, the acceptable way of writing the answer. Here we go. Simplify negative 5a times negative 3a times 2a. I think this is our third to last question. All right. Like up the live, as they say. Feel free to share the channel after you come off tonight. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And I'm waiting on the answer right now. Tasha, look at you. Twain, very close. Oh gosh, all of you, very close. Thank you, Kishima. So we just multiplying, just figure out about the item. So remember we're multiplying. Yes, Amelia got it as well. And Justin, remember say, we multiply the numbers, so we would get positive 30. And we multiply the letters, so that's a cubed. Don't forget. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, Lacey. All right, but, oh, hold on. So let me see who first did get it right. Amelia, because Kishima, that would not have been negative 30. All right, let's go. I remember correctly, this is probably the second to last one. Negative 8k cubed times negative 2k to the negative 4. What will the answer be? Yes, Twin got that last one correct as well. Kishima said, oh, Jesus. Ooh. Oh, gosh. Bab, Twin, you almost get it. Tasha, come get it. All right, guys. So remember when you are multiplying, so you multiply the numbers, that's definitely 16. Multiplying k cubed by k to the negative 4. Once you're multiplying, same base. So you add the powers. 3 plus negative 4 would have been negative 1. All right. So that's 16k to the negative 1. Some people never see the negative sign at all, so they end up right 7. All right. Yes, Shamoya, I see it. Kishima wrote it as well. Venika wrote it as well. Tasha too. All right, good. No, Venika, you're right, man. All right, and maybe the last one, simplify. Very outstanding job, guys. I'm nothing tall. Yes. Last one. Yeah, me type to Amelia. We don't know. This is our last part. Last one. The brain has already feel lock off you now. Matter of fact, I'm about to go over to church. Ooh. We're gonna stop at this one. I mean, it's so much to write those powers, you know. I think there was one final one, but all right. So we'll do this on the last one. All right. So I see an answer. And it is indeed correct. Multiply the numbers, that's 8. Multiply, so there is p to the 4th power, and it's not multiplying by any other p, so make it stay. R times r squared, that's r cubed. S cubed times s, that's s to the 4th power. All right, I saw that. This was the final one. I don't know how I didn't remember that this was there. This is the last one. Ready? Tasha, you did a not Tasha. Lacey, you did a divide a while ago. This is the final one, ladies and gentlemen, and just 2 announcements when we are done. All right. Venika has it. Venika has it. So 1, remember, it's division. Yes, and Kishima got it second. So be careful once it's division now. -40 divided by -5, that's 8. And once you're dividing, same letters or same base, we have p to the 4th power divided by p, which is the same as p to the 1st power. This time you subtract the powers, all right? So this would be p cubed. Same for here, r divided by r, just 1 you will get. So if you should multiply all of this times 1, as the amount you get, you don't need to, what was here? Yeah, you would not need to write anything there. All right, while I give the notices, we are just going to also scribble this question down so that persons can, I am also going to scribble a clear picture of what this question is saying for those persons who didn't get it. All right, so we are multiplying, so you can go ahead and cancel p into itself goes 1 time, r into itself goes 1 time, and that is why we don't need to write r to nothing when we write our answer. All right, so the answer would just be 8 p cubed. Done. All right, 2 notices. 1, type in the chat right now a topic that you would like for us to explore on Kahoot, a topic that you'd want us to explore on Kahoot. But how you're gonna type it? You're gonna type the topic and write Kahoot at the end. All right, type the topic, write Kahoot. So if you want to say fractions, write fractions Kahoot. And I say that because maybe one next instruction. If there is a topic that you generally struggle with and you would like a video to be done on that topic, leave that topic in the chat right now, right? But type it and write video at the end. So fractions video, all right? So if you want a topic to on Kahoot, write the topic and write the word Kahoot. If you want one, all right, binomials Kahoot. Okay, and if you want a topic to be revised, you type so-and-so video. All right. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. I'm happy that we managed to actually get through this game since we were unable to use Kahoot. All right. But no worries, no worries. They can't keep us down, my friends. So we will we'll be bigger and better and stronger and wiser next week, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you. Matrices video. By the way, I'm gonna put in this description. Let me write that down. in this description a link to the indices video I have, laws of indices, which will help you with multiplying and dividing terms like these that we just not so long do. Indices in description. And then, all right, I see. And then I will also put the matrices link. I did a matrices video already, so I'm going to put the link in the chat, in the comments, not comments, in the description. So Tasha, you can actually go there and look at it, by the way. All right, the distributive law video. Trigonometry Kahoot. Hey, nice. All right, so I will see you all. You share. So it was a good time spending time with you all, but we gotta go. So you can say your goodbyes in the chat and I will leave you. All right, bye guys. All right, bye-bye. Identify the shape. Oh, cool. That's easy and nice. Identify the shape. Bye, 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 bye. All right, I'll see all of us next week, 6 o'clock, episode 3. Oh, bye, Twain. I finished there last week. We did miss you. But anyways, yes, see you next week. All right. Gonna go back on Kahoot to the excitement. Aw, bye, Justin.